Whoa. Okay guys, I recently did a praise cover and you guys have been wanting me to do the breakdown. It is today, okay? But today I'll be doing just half of it and next week I'll try and do the part 2. So today we'll be looking at the Ghanaian praise, that is the Tree song, okay? So if you haven't watched the video, it's enough. So this is the video. You can just click on this link to go watch the full video, come back and learn the breakdown, okay? Did I do an introduction? Whoa. Okay, my name is Yao, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment down below, okay? I also do private class lessons. If you are interested, kindly click on this link. You can see the link in the description or in the comment section below. Just click on it to take you direct to my WhatsApp. So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. The song was played on key F, okay? So we have your F here and we have your F here. So I played it here, okay? So let's first look at the intro. The intro goes like this. Okay, it's very, very easy, okay? So the progression of that intro goes like this. On your do to your fa, back to your mi, fa, so, do. Okay, so this is what I played. Okay, so okay, so do, mi, fa. Then you slide to your do on your third string, okay? So do, fa. That's your fa. Then you come back to your fa. Then you play your mi. Okay, so do, mi, fa. Okay, so la, do, re, mi. Okay, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, fa, re, fa, so. Now to your so. Okay, so fa, so, mi, re, so do. Okay, but if you're not a Ghanaian and you are in other country in Africa, just don't concentrate on the song. Just concentrate on the progression and also concentrate on the groove. Actually, the bass line, okay? So look at the progression and look at the bass line, the groove I played. You can apply it in your song, okay? In the way your song goes, you just need to understand the progression, okay? So what you just need to understand is the progression. Do, mi, fa, do, that's on your fa. So do, fa, on your fa, okay? Then you come to your mi, now to your mi. So this is a fill to a mi, okay? Fa, mi. Okay, so mi. I hope you're understanding it, okay? So mi, so, la, do, re, mi. Then to your fa, re, fa, so. Mi, re, so, la, do. Okay, so I hope you're getting it. It's very simple. Okay. Okay. The group work they did together is do, fa, do, re, la, do. Okay. Do, re, la, do. It's very simple. Do, re, la, do. Then you continue. Mi, fa, so, re, so, do. Okay, so try and listen to the groove often and understand the bass line I played. Then you can start using this groove, okay? Use it in maybe a song out there or on your own personal covers, okay? So now to the main groove. So that place alone, the progression are do, so, do, And this is what I played in the song. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so it's very simple. So do, re la so, do mi fa fi so do mi fa la so do. Okay, so somebody asked me in the comments that why do I bring my finger here? Like why do I pluck at the front here and also pluck at the back here? If you do that, it gives you another type of sound, that's another type of tone when you pluck. For an example, when you pluck at a normal place, just listen to the sound. And when I pluck at the top here, you see that here the bass is like heavier and here is like, it's very, I don't know how to explain, but here is much heavier than here. Okay, so when I play it on the, you see, it's like, okay, it's just like a sub bass or something like that. But here, okay, so if you're not used to this, you can learn it. Okay, just practice on that too. Okay, so do, re la so, do. Remember that you go to your so again, so you now play mi fa fi so do. Now to your so, mi fa la so do. Okay, so now to the da 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 da. So on the groove on that is very, very easy. You just need to understand. So yeah, really da 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 da. Okay, so let me break that down for you. So da 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 fa sol la do re. Okay, fa sol la do re. Okay, because you are still on your fa. Okay, fa. Now to your mi. You see, you are using the fills to the mi. It's fitting in the groove. So it's simple. Fa sol la do re, fa mi. Da 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 da. Okay, so when you end it, da 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 da. So now you'll be going to the fa again, and I played a very cool thing over here. Okay, so re mi mi mi. Put this in mind that from your do to fa you can play this. Okay, you see, so re mi 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 mi, re mi mi mi. So the mi is like 3 times. Re mi mi mi, re do la so fa. Then you continue with the groove. Okay, so this is the groove you need to understand. Okay, so the feels da 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 da. Okay, da 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so you can be playing with this when you're rehearsing. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, play with the, just play with it. Okay, it's very easy. Just play with it as you're rehearsing, and also concentrate on it. Don't just lose focus on what you're learning, okay? Okay, so now to the second. Yeah, really, boo. So there, it seems I changed the progression to re, mi, then to your so. So yeah. Okay, if you didn't hear this, or if this is new to your ear, go and listen to the video. Okay, so da 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 da. Okay, it's like I'm playing fa. Okay, so it goes like this: re la la re fa re re. Okay, okay. It's like you're playing something groovy, a funky way, or something special. Okay, so da 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 da. Okay, so let me show you the other one I played. So when I end this, okay, so you see, so bam, 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 bam. Okay, so you slide to your do. Okay, so do 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 ti la so do. Okay, now to your mi fa so. Try and understand everything. Just understand the progression and the groove. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. I wish good luck to your lessons, and I'll see you guys next time in my new video. Bye for now.